What if I told you you could reprogram your body to wake up hard, strong, and ready every single morning without a single pill, potion, or gimmick? Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. Because tonight I'm going to show you a forgotten ritual that ancient physicians once taught before medicine turned into a pharmacy. Hey, I'm Dr. Rabeeca Ross, physician, psychologist, and founder of the Dr. Rabeeca Institute. And no, I'm not a robot or an AI voice. I'm a real doctor who spent years helping men reconnect with their natural power. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple, powerful bedtime routine that tells your body, hey, build strength while I sleep. And tomorrow morning, you'll see the proof staring right back at you. Let's start with what's actually happening when you sleep. Most people think sleep is just about rest, but it's your body's nightly repair workshop. During deep REM sleep, your body goes through several spontaneous erections. They're called nocturnal erections. They're your body's built-in check engine light for circulation, hormones, and nerve health. Now here's the problem. As we age, REM sleep shortens. Less deep rest means less repair. Testosterone dips, nitric oxide production drops. That's the natural gas that fuels blood flow. In fact, men lose about 10% of nitric oxide every decade, which means the older you get, the less your body naturally fires up those nighttime erections. And that morning wood? It starts to fade. You might be 35 on paper, but your erection could be acting like it's 55. Ouch. And here's what breaks my heart. So many men think that's just aging. But it's not. It's your body waving a flag saying, hey, I need help down here. Because those nighttime erections are exercise. They keep your circulation alive, your nerves sharp, your performance strong. When they stop, your erection begins to age faster than the rest of you. But the good news? You can train your body to bring them back. Naturally, let me show you how. This 3-step bedtime ritual resets your system, relieves congestion, and boosts blood flow while you sleep. No pills, no gadgets, just you and your body doing what nature designed. Step 1. The PowerPoint drain release. After you finish urinating before bed, don't just zip up and walk away. Pause. Place 2 fingers in that soft spot between your testicles and your anus, your PowerPoint. Press upward gently for 3 to 5 seconds. You'll notice a few extra drops release. That's not random. It's residual urine that would otherwise sit against your prostate all night, keeping it swollen and congested. Releasing it clears pressure, opens circulation, and gives your body space to flow freely again. Simple, effective, powerful. Step 2. The prostate rolling release. Now, grab a tennis ball, or my E3 release ball if you've got one. Sit down with it placed under that same spot, and let your body weight sink just slightly. Roll forward and back, slow and steady. This massages your prostate and loosens the pelvic floor, the muscles that wrap around your erection like a tight fist. When those muscles relax, blood can surge again. This is circulation therapy from the outside in. And yeah, it might even feel surprisingly good. Step 3. The night breath lock. Take a deep breath through your nose, not your mouth. Inhale for 4 seconds, exhale for 6. Do this at least 5 times before bed. Why? Because this simple breathing activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your rest, digest, and arouse switch. It also releases nitric oxide from your sinuses. That's the very molecule that expands your blood vessels and fuels your morning wood. Each breath says to your body, relax, rebuild, restore. It sets you up for deep, healing REM sleep, where the magic happens. Now, if you haven't had morning wood in weeks or months, I've got one more trick to supercharge your progress. Step 4. The pump reset. Forget the stigma. The pump isn't about size, it's about health. Use it strategically for 2 weeks. It trains your erectile tissue, boosts blood flow, and reminds your body that it's still got a job to do. Think of it like muscle memory for your manhood. Combine it with the 3 rituals, and you'll watch your erection age in reverse. I call this the P3 Performance Protocol. And when used correctly, it rewires your circulation, strengthens your tissue, and reignites your power. Most men never learn this because modern medicine forgot it. But your body hasn't. It still remembers what to do. You just have to remind it. So here's what I want you to do. Try this ritual tonight. Track your results with my free e-age calculator. It only takes 90 seconds. You'll get your erection age and customize strategies to keep it strong. You can find it at eh.mme or scan the QR code right here. And when you're ready to go deeper, grab my free guide, The Ultimate Prostate Massage. It's everything you need to understand, respect, and empower your body again. Because when you stop fighting your body and start partnering with it, that's when real power comes back. I'm Dr. Rabeeca Ross, and I love you enough to tell you the truth. Now go, bring your tower back to life. Boom, I'm out.